Hello everyone, this is Sharath, and today we are diving into the world of football sport performance analysis for the year 2022 to 2023 season. The dataset for this analysis was sourced from Kaggle, and it's a comprehensive look at team statistics that will help us unravel the dynamics of team performance. So let's start by taking a quick look at the structure of our dataset. So this is our dataset. The column description is available in this sheet. So it consists of all the country, the squads, and the wins, draws, and losses by the entire team. So for this particular data set, there is not much data cleaning and transformation is needed. So only transformation needed for this data set is this column needs to be splitted into two for better visualization. So now let's dive into the Python code. So this is the Python code I have created for the analysis. So first we are loading the data set, and then to ensure our data is clean and relevant, we are handling the missing values first. So in our data set there is no missing values, so it is showing 0, so there is no need of handling missing values in our case. And then we are doing the transformation. Like I said before, we are splitting the top team scorer columns into two columns, so the output is here. So we have splitted the top team scorer column into top scorer and top team scorer goals. So, and then we are displaying the data set. And then we are for visualization, we are dropping all the unnecessary columns. The top team scorer and the goalkeeper columns doesn't make any sense, so we are dropping that, and the cleaned and transformed data is displayed here. And delving into those summary statistics, we gain insights into the overall distribution of key metrics. Mean, median, and extreme values give us a snapshot of a team performance across the board. These statistics provide a bird's eye view of how teams fared in various aspects during the season. And then next we are diving into the team distribution. Now explore how teams are distributed across different countries. Our dataset includes teams from Spain, Italy, France, England, and Germany. The distribution gives us an idea of the representation of teams from each country. This will help better for the visualization. So moving on to the visualization, first we have created a bar chart comparing goals for and goals against for the top teams. This helps us understand the offensive and defensive strength of these teams. And the one thing is, for visualization, the main libraries we are using are Matplotlib and the Seaborn. These are all the very best libraries we can use for visualization. So this is the bar chart outline for the top 10 teams for the goals for and goals against counts. Next, we have created a scatter plot. Thus visualizes the relationship between expected goals and actual goals. Points are colored by country, and the size represents the attendance. The For visualization, scatter plot is the best way to explain any kind of data, because in scatter plot we can tell the relationship using like for, and also we can explain the correlation between them using the values. There are more other steps we can do using scatterplot and finding all the values. So next we are diving into the visualization for the distribution of wins, draws and losses for each country. This count plot we have created provides an overview of how wins, draws and losses are distributed across the teams, giving us the spectrum of team performance. We have labeled all the wins, draws and losses in with different color, which gives us a better presentation and better view of the team. So next we are diving into the next visualization. Let's take a look at the individual player performance with a bar chart of the top 10 scorers. This bar chart gives us an insight into the goal scoring capabilities of these players. And then we have the last plot, which is a box plot, the very impressive and best visualization for any data, I would say. So this is the box plot showcasing the distribution of team performance in terms of points across different countries. We can see outlier here for the Spain country. This represents an exceptional team performance from the country Spain. So we can use box plot. We can use box plot parts like whisker plot and all this median and the quantiles to explain in more elaborately about the team performance. This is the best box plot to go for, and we have labeled the box plot with different colors, and that's it for the visualization. So I have provided all the code and the code output and the dataset. I will provide you in the description. You can have a look at that. So feel free to give us any comments if you need more visualization or if you have any doubts in creating this Python code. So thank you. Have a good one.